Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be diving into one of the most influential books on personal development and success, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Published in 1937, this timeless classic has inspired millions of people to unlock their full potential and create wealth, both financially and personally. Let's break down its key ideas in under 3 minutes. Think and Grow Rich is based on Napoleon Hill's study of successful individuals. Over 20 years, Hill interviewed over 500 of the most successful people of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Alexander Graham Bell. He distilled their experiences into 13 principles that he argues are the key to achieving wealth and success. Let's quickly review the core principles. Number 1. Desire. Hill starts with the idea that everything begins with a burning desire. This isn't just about wishing for success. It's about having a clear, intense, and specific goal. Your desire needs to be strong enough to push you through any obstacles. Number 2. Faith. Belief in yourself is vital. Hill argues that faith is a state of mind that can be developed through positive affirmation and visualization. By truly believing you can achieve your goal, you create the mental foundation for success. Number 3. Autosuggestion. This is about programming your subconscious mind to believe in your desires. By repeatedly affirming your goals and aspirations, you begin to internalize them, shifting your mindset to align with success. Number 4. Specialized knowledge. While general knowledge is useful, Hill stresses the importance of specialized knowledge in your field. By becoming an expert in one area, you can leverage it to create opportunities and solve problems others can't. Number 5. Imagination. Hill emphasizes the power of imagination in creating new ideas and solutions. It's not just about coming up with wild, creative concepts. It's about using your imagination to find ways to bring your desires to life. Number 6. Organized planning. Without a clear plan, success is just a dream. Hill insists that having a detailed, organized plan is key. If one plan fails, adjust and try again. Failure is just a lesson on the way to success. Number 7. Decision. Successful people are decisive. Hill highlights how procrastination is the enemy of progress. Making quick, firm decisions is one of the habits of highly successful individuals. Number 8. Persistence. Success doesn't come overnight. Persistence is the ability to keep going, even in the face of adversity. The more you persist, the closer you get to your goal. Number 9. The mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded people who support your goals. Hill calls this the mastermind principle, where the combined energy, knowledge, and experience of a group can propel everyone involved to greater heights. Number 10. The subconscious mind. Hill explains that the subconscious mind is the bridge between your conscious thoughts and the physical world. By feeding it positive, success-oriented thoughts, you influence your actions and outcomes. Number 11. The brain. Your brain is a powerful tool, and Hill notes that when focused on a clear desire, it works as a transmitter and receiver of thought vibrations. Networking with others and engaging in purposeful action sends signals to the universe and attracts opportunities. Number 12. The sixth sense. Hill talks about tapping into intuition, your sixth sense, or the ability to trust your gut feelings. This insight, he suggests, comes when you align your thoughts with your desires and trust in your inner wisdom. Number 13. Overcoming fear. Finally, Hill identifies 6 major fears: fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death, and stresses that overcoming these fears is essential to achieving success. To wrap it up, Think and Grow Rich is much more than just a book on wealth. It's about developing a mindset that attracts success in every aspect of life. By cultivating desire, faith, persistence, and surrounding yourself with a positive environment, you can begin to turn your dreams into reality. Hill's message is simple but profound. Success begins with your thoughts. Think positively, act decisively, and never give up. That's it for today's summary of Think and Grow Rich. I hope it inspired you to think bigger and start applying these principles to your own life. Thanks for tuning in. Stay focused, keep growing, and remember, as Hill says, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Until next time.